Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. First, open the Zoom application. If you don't have a Zoom account yet, you can sign up by tapping on the sign up option. Follow the instructions to create a new account. Tap on the sign in option to log in to your Zoom account if you already have one. On the sign in page, type in the email address that you used to create your Zoom account. Type in the password associated with your Zoom account. If you have multiple Zoom accounts associated with the entered email address, select the one you want to use. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. If you prefer signing in with your Google account, click on the Google option. Choose the Google account you want to use to sign in to Zoom. Tap on Continue to proceed with signing in using your Google account. Wait a few seconds for Zoom to launch. If it doesn't, tap on Launch Zoom to manually start the app. Once Zoom is launched, you will see various options like New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. Tap on Schedule to create a Zoom meeting link for a future event. Enter the meeting topic, specify the date and time for the meeting, and list the attendees if needed. Decide whether you want Zoom to generate a meeting ID automatically or use your personal meeting ID. Decide if you want to enable the waiting room feature for the meeting. After configuring the meeting settings, tap on Save to create the meeting with the specified details. Once the meeting is created, you will receive a unique meeting link. You can share this link with others to invite them to the meeting. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.